Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of forensic toxicology. If you have ever wondered how experts solve poisoning cases or identify harmful substances in crimes, you are in the right place. My name is Nath and I am a volunteer at Shivi Forensics. Today we will explore poisons, toxins and toxicants. So let's get started. So let's start with toxicology. Toxicology is the study of how harmful substances like drugs, poisons, and chemicals affect living beings. So, when we apply this knowledge in legal cases, it becomes forensic toxicology. This field is essential for finding and analyzing poisons and toxic substances in biological samples like blood or tissues to help solve crimes or other suspicious situations. Here's something interesting. The word toxicology comes from the Greek word toxicant, which referred to poisons used on arrowheads. This shows how concept of toxicology has been around for centuries. Now, let's talk about poisons. A poison is any substance, natural or man-made, that can harm or kill a living organism when it enters the body in a large enough amount. Poisons can enter the body in different ways, either by being swallowed, inhaled, absorbed through the skin, or injected. How do poisons work? Poisons act by interfering the biological processes, damaging cells, or disrupting vital functions like respiration, circulation, or nervous system activity. They may block essential enzymes, interfere with cellular respiration, or damage cellular membranes. For example, neurotoxins, which affect the nerves and stop them from working properly. Next is hemotoxins, which damage blood cells and reduce oxygen transport. And then there comes substances like cyanide, which stop energy production in cells, which can lead to organ failure. Next, we have toxins. Toxins are natural poisons made by living organisms like plants, animals, or even bacteria. For example, the venom from a bee sting is a mild toxin. Botulinum toxin, produced by bacteria, is one of the deadliest toxins known. Third, toxins from certain mushrooms like Amanita muscaria can be fatal even in small doses. Toxins work by interacting with the body's enzymes or cellular receptors, which can lead to harmful effects. Isn't it interesting how something so small can have such a big impact? Next, let's move on to toxicants. Toxicants are man-made, harmful substances often created during industrial processes like mining or chemical production. Unlike natural toxins, toxicants are synthetic. Some examples include pesticides like DDT, which harm the environment and human health, methanol, which can cause blindness or even death if ingested, arsenic, a toxicant that has been used as a poison in many historical cases. Toxicants can stay in the environment for a long time and cause long-term damage such as cancer or hormone disruption. Now, once the evidence is collected from the crime scene, it's time for the forensic experts to work. This is where the forensic toxicologists step in with the advanced tools and techniques. They use different powerful methods to identify harmful substances and perform detailed studies to understand their impact. Some of the most common techniques they use are: first is the gas chromatography mass spectrometry, also known as GCMS. This technique identifies and measures volatile subchemicals like poisons and drugs. Second is high performance liquid chromatography, also known as HPLC. It is used to analyze non-volatile compounds like drugs and pesticides. Third is the Fourier transform infrared spectroscopy. This instrument helps to identify solid or liquid chemicals by analyzing how they absorb infrared light. These techniques are essential for accurately identifying toxins and as well as toxicants in forensic cases. Next is ideal poison. Now, what is an ideal poison? An ideal poison is something that can harm or kill quickly without being easily detected. It is a theoretical concept often used in stories or fictional scenarios. In reality, forensic toxicology works to identify even the most hidden poisons to ensure justice. The qualities of ideal poison include high potency, rapid action, difficult to detect, should be easily available, stable, and untraceable source. Now, let's look at poisoning in India. Poisoning cases are rising, especially among the younger people. From 2009 to 2013, there was a significant increase in deaths caused by poisoning. Some of the reasons include: number 1, pesticide uses in farming; number 2, substance abuse like drugs and alcohol; number 3, mental health issues leading to self-harm. This shows the importance of forensic toxicology in identifying poisons and raising awareness to prevent such incidents. To conclude, forensic toxicology plays a vital role in solving poisoning cases. It helps us understand the causes of death or harm, identify toxins, and even provide evidence in court. With the help of advanced techniques like GCMS, HPLC, and FTIRs, toxicologists ensure precise and reliable results. However, the rise in poisoning cases highlights the need for better awareness and preventive measures. Together we can work towards a safer and healthier society.